You may be familiar with reinforcement theory, the notion that behavior is influenced by consequences. When behavior is followed by reinforcement, it's more likely to be repeated in the future. When followed by punishment, that same behavior is less likely to be repeated. There are two types of reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is adding a desirable outcome after a desirable behavior. For example, saying thank you or recognizing someone's extra effort during training. Negative reinforcement is also a good thing. Negative reinforcement is not punishment. It's removing an undesirable outcome following a desirable behavior. We can stop sending reminder emails once trainees register for a training program, or we can remove a probationary period once new hires complete a training program. In both situations, we are removing something that people don't like, the reminder emails, the probationary period. There are also two types of punishment, which lessen the likelihood that behavior is repeated. Positive punishment is adding an undesirable outcome following an undesirable behavior. Employees might be asked to repeat a training program if they don't perform very well, or they may receive a written warning for their conduct in training. Negative punishment is removing a desirable outcome following an undesirable behavior. Trainees might lose access to certain amenities, or they may lose their credentials. So what? What does all this mean for us? This theory suggests that trainers need to identify the reinforcers that learners find most attractive, and then link these rewards to learning outcomes. Organizations often have disciplinary policies already put in place. This theory also suggests that punishment can be useful in deterring some behaviors. It's important to hold poor performing employees accountable for their poor performance.